back to Eatings Up channel. So good to have you back here again. So we're going to be starting from where we stopped from our last class. I was able to establish the note names. If you didn't see the last class, you can go back to the previous video so you can understand this aspect we are going to into this next class. So we'll be talking about scales today, and we'll be starting with the major scale. That's like the most basic scale you can't do without. So major scale to start with, I'll be showing you how it sounds like. Most of us know that in sofa notation, do re mi fa sol la ti do, that's familiar though. Even some of us are in the choir, in different maybe church, in a group, different places like that. You would have heard of that before, obviously, right? Back to the scale, major scale, very very simple and direct. I'll be showing you. Have your major scale, which is your. But there's something that is very intriguing about this, which is the fingering. You need to know the fingering, right fingering. So for on the piano, the thumb, this one right here is your one, number your one. So this is one, this is two, this is three, this is four, this is five. Like, okay, look at my hands right here. One, two, three, four, five. So try to look at this. Pay attention to this very well. Look at this. If I'm this one here, if I'm trying to count back, how do I count? If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how do I count back? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So that's how we count it on the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very simple. Both ends, the same fingering but different positioning. The same fingering, different positioning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple as that. So let's start. Let's get started with the right hand. I remember the alphabet. In alphabet, for a major scale, it still remain the arrangements I gave you earlier in the previous class, which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. You can see it on the screen. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Let me come again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Remember how I told you you're going to locate our C on any key, on any octave. The one that has the two black keys on top of it, like this. C. Same here, you can see C, 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 like this. Let's go straight into it. So we have our major scale, which is our C, D, E, F, G, A. But now there's something interesting about it, the fingering. So for your right hand fingering for your C major scale, because from the previous class we were able to establish that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 keys in total, right? So we have 12 keys in total, which made it 7 white keys and 5 black keys. 7 white keys, 5 black keys. So for the major scale, the fingering is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't worry, don't fret. It's on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to remember that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the reason why I said for C is because for different keys like C sharp, D, okay, some of them are the same, right? They have the same fingering, but for different keys has different fingerings. For example, C and C sharp, they're not the same in terms of the fingerings. We're gonna get there where we have to go do them on all keys. We have to place all the scales on all the keys like that. You understand? So we'll still get to that point. So go back to our key C as a reference now. We have 1, 2, 3, 2. You can see how simple it is, and you can see the curve. Don't worry. At first, trying it might look impossible, but it is possible. 1, 2, 3. So you can see the way I move from 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. that is for the right hand, right? For your C major scale. C major scale. So now let's move to the left hand, playing the same notes, but remember I told you the same different fingering, the same fingering, but different fingering rather, yeah, but the positioning are the same, right? So we have the fingering for this one is 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2 1. Again, 5 4 3 2. One more time. 5 4 3 2 1. It's as simple as that. So now that we've been able to establish the fingering for the right hand and for the left hand, can we do something exciting now? At first, you might not be able to get that on the go, but the more you practice it, you get it. So let's do something. Let's play the right hand 5 times, the left hand 5 times. For the right hand, 5. Let's make the last one faster. Sounds interesting. Let's go to the left hand now. 5 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2 1. Let's make the last one faster, just like we did for the right hand. 5 4 3 2 1. So there's something that's going ascending, so we call ascending and descending, ascending, descending, ascending, descending. So we're going up, down. The same way we did it in our last class where we were talking about the sharp and the flat, where we were talking about going up, adding and subtracting. So this is more like we're going and coming back, going and coming back, like a race around a circle. So let's apply that. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. See the twist. 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. That's the ascending for the left hand. I don't know if you see that. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. For the left hand, 5 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 5. Descending is the same thing for the ascending for the right hand. So, like I said, we have the descending will be 1 2 3 2. So let's just do this final thing. Then we can call it. We can call this a day. Together, both hands together, playing the correct fingering. 1 2. Well, let's take it slowly. More time. Let's just increase it a bit. Let's make it faster a bit. That's pretty easy, you know. So, but you have to just practice this, do this over and over, make sure you practice this, and then we can continue from the next class. See you in the next class. Don't forget, like, comment, share to your friends and your loved ones, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure your notification bell is on, always on. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.